Despite the use of standard definitions to describe international organizations, their universe is very diverse due to their differences in size, geographical scope, tasks, and functions. As for the size, the international organizations can include few members, 3 as in the case of the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. Or a large number as the United Nations, which as of 2021 includes 193 member countries, with South Sudan added to the list in 2011. Their geographical scope varies extensively from a specific area. As the case of the regional organizations as ASEAN, or the African Union, to worldwide organizations having members from all countries. Furthermore, there are single-task organizations like the Organization for Petroleum Exporting, the OPEC, as well as multi-purpose organizations such as the European Union and the United Nations. Consequently, their functions differ, as well. The most common include sharing and collecting information, monitoring trends, providing forum for collective decisions, and settling disputes. How international organizations serve such functions vary extensively according to their rules, financial resources, level and bureaucracy. In the following slide, you can see a summary of the differences and main characteristics of international organizations. As for the number of international organizations, different sources show different data. The number of international organizations, according to the leading online and textbook sources, vary significantly, ranging from 126 international organizations, listed by the U.S. Department of State, to 325 by the Correlates of the War Database. Although the exact number of international organizations can be questionable, all scholars agree on the fact that since the Second World War, the number of international organizations increased steadily, with an exceptional rise in the 20th century. The growth of the state system, favored by the decolonization process, was among the main reasons. After the Second World War, states went through a process of disaggregation, passing from 50 in 1945, to almost 200 in 2010. As argued by some political scientists, the birth rate of international organizations correlates positively with the number of states in the international system. Therefore, dealing with global issues increases state interdependence, and calls for more effective management of international organizations to better cope with transnational problems.